So if I was in the class, with my students, this is question 60, by the way, and this is the question we're dealing with. This will actually be a question where you just have to like say your answer without writing anything. Okay? This is one of those questions. What is the grams of water that are needed to completely react with 6 moles of calcium carbide? What's the grams of water that you would need? Okay. Or maybe I may not do that. I may not want to be like, if it were how many moles of water? Yes, that would be like a verbal assessment kind of stuff. Yeah, so because you can basically see it, right? This is your balanced equation there. Calcium carbide, 1 mole, reacts with 2 moles of water, for the reaction to go into completion. So if you're asked how many moles of water are needed to completely react with 6 moles of calcium carbide, 1 reacts with 2, so 6 should react with 12. And 12 will just be your answer. You don't need to like write anything. Okay? So that's it. That's if it were moles anyway. But now it's grams, so I guess we have to write something. CaC2 plus 2H2O. This is the equation of reaction again. C2H2 plus CaOH2. Make sure that all your equations are balanced when you're working on stoichiometry because you need the accurate numbers there. So 1 mole of CaC2 reacts completely with 2 moles of H2O. We can establish that from this equation that is balanced. Alright, so if we have 6 moles of calcium carbide, 6 moles of this guy, it should react with X, and then X will just be 6 multiplied by 2, and that will be 12 moles. Are we going to stop here? No, because we're asked how many grams of water. 1 mole of water is equivalent to the molar mass of water, which is like 18 grams per mole. So 1 mole of water weighs 18 grams. That means 12 moles of water will just weigh, X or Y. And then you calculate that by simple multiplication. So your X is going to be 12 multiplied by 18. And then what would that one be? Okay, I might not really ask my student to do that, but 12 multiplied by 18, that's 216. Yeah, that's what the calculator says. 216 grams. So that is how you calculate this question. It's question number 60. We're going to 100. And all these questions of stoichiometry, they are here so that you can practice and get better at doing stoichiometry, right? So if you want a compendium of all this stuff, all the questions 1 to 100, you shoot us a DM and we'll show you how you can, download that one for your practice, alright? So I shall see you on question number 461. And let me know if you found this easy or if you would tell your students to, just tell you the answer without writing anything. Let's know people that think like me in the comments. Alright, take care and bye bye. I shall see you on Sister 1.